30,000 wardrobes over the last 10 years. And yes, we still get excited about every single solution we make. The idea for RackBuddy started from a personal need for a wardrobe that could use space better than a bulky closet and could actually handle everyday use. My name is Martin and I'm one of the founders of RackBuddy and responsible for product development. So we created RackBuddy based on a few simple principles. Our product should last a lifetime while still be able to expand, adapt and move with you. A few components with endless possibilities, flexible solutions, tailored to the individual person and the individual space. That's why the product and the quality have always come first. If the product isn't good enough, nothing else really matters. Our solutions are not mass-produced in large factories. They are handmade and assembled by people. We could have chosen cheaper materials and faster solutions, but then it wouldn't have been RackBuddy. The first solutions were far from perfect. We tested, adjusted and learned along the way, often the hard way. We want to help our customers create wardrobes that truly fits their needs. That is why we develop our product builder, allowing you to configure your own solution, both in function and design. It's about how it feels when your hands run along the metal, when you hang your clothes and when it becomes a part of your daily life. I hope you enjoyed hearing about RackBuddy. If you want to see our products, click on the link below.